Namaskar. Taking good care of our skin is very important because skin is the largest organ of our whole body. The skin on the face particularly needs more tender and loving care because it is regularly exposed to the outside elements. Sunlight, dust, pollution and sweat may definitely damage it. So it needs to be protected to retain its glow and health. There are some face serums which are really good to protect your skin. Using a natural face serum is not only going to protect your face from future damage but also reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. First, let's understand how to apply face serum. Every morning and evening, apply serum after cleaning your face. After that, you may put any other skin products if required. Any serum should be applied very lightly so it gets absorbed and does not irritate the skin. Use about 4 drops applied gently with your fingertips around on your face and neck. Slightly pat and make it smooth till it is completely absorbed in your skin. Let us see how to make these 3 face serum at home for different skin types. These face serums can be prepared and kept in the fridge for a few days, but it is good to prepare them fresh whenever you want to use them. For dry skin, mix 1 teaspoonful of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera juice. Apply this about 3 to 4 drops every time and store the rest for the next use. Aloe vera gel is a natural moisturizer that soothes sunburn and lightens scars. Coconut oil acts as a natural sunscreen, reduces pigmentations and dark circles. It also cures infection because it has antimicrobial property. Honey provides rich moisture to your skin, removes fine lines and gives a natural glow to your skin. Now for oily skin, mix 1 teaspoonful of tomato juice and 1 teaspoonful of honey. Again, apply for about 3 to 4 drops at a time on the face and neck and store the rest for the next use. Tomato juice brightens up the oily skin. It has an astringent effect. It cleanses and shrinks pores. For oily skin, honey reduces excess sebum production, reduces redness and breakout of acne and pimples. For sensitive skin, dissolve 1 teaspoonful of sugar in 3 teaspoonful of raw milk. Apply about 3 to 4 drops at a time and store the rest for the next day. Raw milk tones your skin by gently nourishing and hydrating. Sugar helps rejuvenating your skin by cleaning all the dirt from the skin pores and makes your skin more radiant. These natural face serums can help to thoroughly hydrate your skin and make your skin radiant. By preparing these at home, you can proactively care for your skin. Along with this, you must also remember to take a balanced diet, plenty of water, fresh air and exercise. More importantly, having a positive attitude and cultivating goodwill towards all makes you glow from inside out. Namaskar.